Do you understand English but feel nervous when you speak?
Do you know the words, but freeze in real conversations?
That used to be me.
And that's exactly why we created this channel.
Welcome to Fluent English Daily, where fluency is built step by step,
Most learners spend years studying grammar
but still feel shy when it's time to speak.
because fluency isn't just grammar. It's listening, speaking, and practicing consistently.
And we'll help you do exactly that.
Every episode on this channel is divided into two parts.
First, we start with simple English, so you understand clearly and feel comfortable.
Then we move into advanced natural English so you can level up and sound more confident.
It's like training your brain, step by step.
You'll learn real conversations for daily life, college, work, travel, interviews, friendships, and more.
No boring lectures.
No complicated explanations. Real improvement. Real confidence.
Fluency doesn't happen overnight.
It requires consistent effort, daily practice.
Every time you press play,
You train your ears,
you train your voice.
and you build confidence.
So if you're ready to stop being shy,
And start speaking boldly.
subscribe now and start building unstoppable fluency.